Yo guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you the best NBA 2K26 locker codes. I've been searching on Google. I tested all of the codes that are available. Most of them are either expired or they give you very little. If they do actually work, they don't actually give you much. I've managed to find some locker codes for 2K26 that you can use right now, and one of these codes is going to get you 450,000 VC. And guys, that is going to save you a bunch of money, because I'm sure you're aware the VC prices are pretty insane. 450,000 will cost you about $80 US, and I'm going to show you a 2K26 locker code you can use to get your free VC. So what you need to do, guys, is first of all drop a like on this video and subscribe, and then what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone. So I know you probably play on PC or console, but use your mobile to get this code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. so you can pause the video and copy it down. Crash Coupons, guys, very important. You go directly to this awesome site, and because they have hundreds of different pages, you do need to navigate your way to the 2K26 locker codes page. So I recommend using the search bar basically, guys, and typing in NBA 2K26 to find this page. There are actually 4 different locker codes, and as you can see, hundreds of people are using these. Thousands have rated these almost 5 stars. I've already done this myself, so I'm going to give it 5. So scroll down, there's a bunch of different codes. This one is probably the best one, guys. Get 450,000 VC for free in NBA 2K26. And the best part is, guys, this is a simple working locker code in 2026 that you can grab right now, and is going to give you your free VC. Now, it does limit one of these codes per person, guys, so you can only do this once. So if you want to get more than 450,000, you won't be able to. But I believe you can do this once per day. So I have already done this. And as you can see, you need to unlock your locker code. As I mentioned, these are limited, so it does stop people getting more than one. So to get your code, click on this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen. It's really easy, guys. Just got to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. And it's very important you follow the instructions below each one, and this will verify you're not a robot. So what it's telling you to do, guys, is basically complete 2 of the tasks you see on this page. They're really easy, so don't panic. They're all completely free. They take about 5 minutes, guys. You just got to make sure you read the instructions. Some of them are free surveys, some of them are free mobile games or applications. So complete 2 of those. Like I said, I have already done it, so I'm going to skip forward. But your 2K26 locker code will be displayed in this box. You simply grab it, redeem it in game, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. These are definitely the best NBA 2K26 locker codes. I know this video is quick, but I just wanted to get it out for my subscribers. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, see ya.